and welcome back to my channel. Kung kayo po ay hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, pindutin nyo lang po ang subscribe button para kayo po ay laging updated sa ating mga video. So today po, we are going to explore Google Classroom. Sabi nga nila, welcome to the new normal of learning. As we can say, transitioning to the new normal in education is like shifting of learning space from public space to personal space. So first things first, bago po natin ma-launch ang Google Classroom, you need to sign in sa inyong Gmail account. So this is my Gmail account. Okay. So on the right side, makikita niyo po ang 9 dots. This is your Google Apps. Okay. So, marami pong mga apps dito like YouTube, Play Store, okay, Map. But we only need this one, Classroom, para po ma-launch ang Google Classroom. So, just click Google Classroom and it will direct you to your Google Classroom site. So, ito na nga po ang Google Classroom. On the right side, click this plus sign. Okay, merong join class at merong create class. For teachers, we need to click create class. Okay po. Now, for example, my class name is Media and Information Literacy. Okay. We call the MIL. Section is class 12 for grade 12. The subject is same as class name, so just copy paste. For room, just skip it, click create. Okay, so this is now your created class details. Okay, wherein you have the subject, the section, and of course, the class code. Napaka-importante po ang class code na ito. Ito po ang ibibigay nyo na code sa inyong mga learners. Okay, so mahalaga po yan. Now, pwede nyo rin pong i-change ang profile picture ng inyong class profile by clicking select theme. Marami pong mga options dito. So, let's check the photos under general. Okay, so I guess this one is suitable as the class theme. So, select. Automatically mag-change po ang profile photo. So there. Okay, on the upper portion of my window, you can see here 4 tabs. We have stream, classwork, people, and grades. Under stream, ito po yung makikita nyo. So since wala pa po akong pinost na assignment or quiz, okay, medyo clear pa po ang page ng stream. Okay, for under stream, you can post a message to your class. Okay, for example, hello class, how is everyone? So before posting, you can add a link or a file or a video clip from YouTube. So for now, yan lang po, plain message lang. I also have the option to schedule or just save the draft. So today, I will just post it. Okay, So, ayun na po siya. Na-post na yung message ko. Hello class, how is everyone? Okay? So, since wala pa po akong in-invite na learners, wala pa pong makakabasa nito. Okay? So, moving on, I'd like to discuss about classwork. In here, you can create assignment, quiz, question, material, reuse post, or topic. Okay, let's create an assignment. This is your assignment page. So we have title, instruction, and your materials on the left side. Okay, on the right side, you have the points, due date, and rubric. So let's say my title is Introduction to Media and Information Literacy. Okay. Then my instruction is kindly read the file, this one. So I'm just copy pasting it. Then in your own words, for example, discuss what is MIL. Okay. So since I mentioned here read the file, so I am just attaching a file from my laptop under my download file. So select file, downloads. My file name is Intro to MIL. So here, click, and then attached, and then upload. So there, it's already uploaded. So I have here the title, the instruction, and the material. Okay, on the right side, lalagyan ko lang siya, let's say 25, let's say 20 points. Due date is, let's say, they need to submit it by Tuesday. Okay, May 19. Then time is, that's fine, 11:59 p.m. You can also create your rubric, reuse rubric, or just import from sheets. Okay, so by the way, the file that I sent to my learners, okay, I have here options like students can view file, students can edit file, or make a copy for each students. I just selected students can view file. Okay, so I guess I'm ready to send this assignment to my learners. So on the upper right hand of my window, you can see here assign, schedule, save draft, or discard draft. So I'm just clicking assign. Okay, and there assignment created. Okay. So na-post na po siya. Okay, nandun na rin po siya sa stream. So, andito kanina yung message ko, yung hello class, how is everyone? Andito na rin po yung assignment. So, going back to classwork, okay, you can also create quiz, okay, question, material, reuse post and topic. Okay, let me just show you how to create a quiz. Okay, so click blank quiz. Okay, it will direct you to Google Docs. Okay, I have here form description and untitled question. So let's say our description here is intro to MIL example. Then our question is, let's say, what are types of news stories? So on the right side, you have options here like short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, check boxes, drop down, and the rest of the options. So so I selected short answer. Okay, then you need to put your answer key. So two types are hard news and soft news. Okay. So mark all other answers incorrect. Okay, so kapag wala sa dalawa yung sagot nila, so that is automatically wrong. 4 points, I will just put here 2 points and done. Click done. You need also to turn on this required button. Okay, let's do one more question. Click this plus sign on the right side. For example, your question number 2 is, it refers to up to the minute news, for example, and events that are reported immediately after it takes place. What is the answer here? So in this kind of question, I will use multiple choice. Okay, it refers to up to the minute news and events that are reported immediately. So I have here hard news, option 1, option 2 is soft news, option 3 is teacher news, and then option 4 is headline. Okay, headline. Now the answer key here is this one, hard news. Okay, this is 1 point. Click done. There. So as you can see, guys, I have created two questions for your quiz, pero you can add more questions. So if you're ready to send this one, just click send, and automatically mapupost na po ito sa stream. Okay, meron po tayong responses dito. You just make this on para po makikita po natin kung sino na po sa mga learners natin ang sumagot ng quiz. But since wala pa po tayong na-invite, meron po dito message na waiting for responses. Okay, if you're ready to send it, just click send. Okay, now going back. Okay, now guys, let's go back to your class page. Now, on the third tab, allow me to show you how you can invite your learners. So, as you can see po, wala pa po akong mga students. Okay. So, the message here is invite students or give them the class code. So, I'm just going to show you how to invite by clicking this icon on the right side. Okay. Invite students by typing a name or email, but I would highly suggest that use the email of your learners. So allow me to use the email of my son para lang po maipakita ko po how are you going to invite your learners. So I'm going to make use of my son's email for the sake of this presentation. So, yun po, ang email niya. And then, on the lower part, click invite. Ganun lang po ang mag-invite sa inyong mga students. So, marireceive na po yun ng inyong learner. Ganito po yung magiging message niya kapag na-receive na po niya yung kanyang email. So, ito po, Google Classroom, Ma'am Ciel invited you to the class media and information literacy. So, you just need to click join para po mag-join ka sa class ni teacher. Okay po. So, dito naman po, moving on dito sa tab na to, which is yung grades, your class doesn't have any students yet. Add students in the people page. So, yun nga po. Okay? So, I hope po ay naging useful po ang tutorial na to about Google Classroom. If you have any clarifications or questions, please comment down below. Thank you so much, guys, and please don't forget to subscribe.